Hi, I'm Dustin Griffin, Technical Product Manager with Precision Laboratories. Today, I'm back in Central Illinois looking at another one of our SeedZone IF proof plots and wanted to share with you guys what we're seeing. So, conditions here are very dry. They caught about 3/10 of an inch of rain last week, and it sounds like there's rain in the forecast. Based on this heat and humidity and the thunder coming from over there, I'm gonna have to agree with the weatherman on this, which is really good news for this area. So in my past videos, I've touched on SeedZone IF's ability to increase that time between rain events. And today at our proof plot, we saw our best example of this so far. So the grower applied SeedZone IF to his existing program in an in-furrow application. So come with me and let's look at the differences. So if we look at this treated, and we look at this untreated, and we give it the good old squeeze test, we can see there's a big difference between the treated area and the untreated area. So there's still some subsoil moisture here in the untreated, but SeedZone is definitely doing its job. So also, if we take a look at these plants, so treated on the left and untreated on the right, and we do the shake test, you can definitely tell that the SeedZone IF is making the most out of that 3/10 of an inch of rain that they got. So this field was planted on May 4th. It's the end of June. We're about to the end of our 45 to 60 day window. If you or your grower are in the same scenario and you're about to make another pass with some UAN or potassium, it'd be a good idea to add SeedZone IF to that spoon feeding application to help protect that investment and get more out of what you're putting out. If you're interested in learning more about SeedZone IF, please contact your local Precision Laboratories representative. Precision Labs, results expected.